Hey, what's up, guys? We're the Cape Breton couple. I'm Kevin. This is Laura.
Of course, Laura.
So today, guys, we're out for a nice drive around the island. We're going to show you some nice views around. And right now, we're coming pretty close to Iona. So we'll start the filming of the trip from here. Give you guys a bit of the views around. And once we come to a nice opening, a nice clearing worth filming, guys, I'll get out and I'll put the drone up and show you an overhead view. So I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? We decided to stop here. We're about 5 kilometers away from Little Narrows. Missy sneezing because of the sun. So yeah, we just thought we'd stop here and show you around. It's a beautiful little spot. I'm gonna put the drone up here, guys, get a little Mavic Mini footage, so we'll catch you in a bit. Peace.
Peace.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're in Little Narrows and we're just waiting on the ferry to come back. You can see it across there. See that, guys? So yeah, we're just waiting for the ferry to come back. We're going to cross there. I'm going to try and get you some drone footage when we get across there somewhere. It's just a beautiful area here. And we're going to head back home through Bedeck Way. So that's about it, guys. So I guess we'll catch you in a bit. Say bye, Missy.
Bye, Missy.
Peace, guys. We're now leaving Little Narrows. Just got you some footage from aerial here at the ferry, and we're on the other side now, so we're gonna head up and take the Bedeck route and back home. So I'll catch you later, guys. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're now entering Bedeck, and well, you guys already seen Bedeck in the vlog we've done last year, so we're just going to end the vid here, guys, and work our way home. As you can see, we're just across the street from the Auberge Gazelles Inn, which is that big building there. There's a guy mowing the lawn right now. So this is just the very start of Bedeck. On the other end, there's a church in front of us. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel, guys.
Smash that button.
Hit that like. Leave a comment down below. Make sure your post notifications are on. And until the next time.
Catch you later, people.
Bye, guys. Peace.